following me, Kayla? God. Okay, anyway. Will you stop following me? I'm trying to do a video here, lady. Okay, whatever. Anyways. Hello, people out there who are watching this. Yeah, so, this is just a tribute to the Penguins of Madagascar. I'm pretty sure you guys out there who watch the show are familiar with them. And they have a channel on YouTube. And so I just wanted to make a tribute. I'm going to pull up Penguin right now. Oh, sorry, let me stupid laptop stuff. Anyway, this is just a tribute to them. They're like amazing. They do all this stuff. It's really cool. And they try to avoid you doing as much as possible. So that's pretty much the main leader. Or whatever. Oh, where did you get that thing? Oh, sweet. One kid's username is Rico. They spelled it wrong because the other spelling was taken. So Rico1248. I would have called like mine private or something, but I just wanted 1 o'clock. So I just did Blueberry 1155, the double Y with a mistake, and for those who are watching this right now, you can comment a few bars. And I just want to make this just a little tribute. As you can probably hear, because you can't see them, because I can't get it on full screen. I have no clue how to get it on full screen, sorry. Alright. Sorry about that. Okay, but once I get it on full screen, I'll show you, but I have to keep it, zoomed in screen, because the zoomed out screen doesn't, really make sense. But I'm not dancing for this thing, I'm dancing for the video. I'm gonna stop dancing for a moment. I'm gonna show you my player card. Blueberry double SFX. I remember a couple stuff. We've got this background. Wait, where my background go? Oh man. They have a secret agent in campaign, so I got assigned to this really important mission, so I had to go undercover and disguise myself as a boy. I didn't want anyone to figure out my real identity. The night hat was during the user party, if you guys don't know. Started from the user party, from the user party. You can save the user party, and the user party, and the user party. And the user party, I got this for the music and I choose. When I first joined Club Penguin as a member, this is what it looks like. Yes, Mom! This is what it looks like, sorry about that. None of this. I don't have the glasses. This is what it looks like. Just that. And then when I bought more stuff, got these 2 hairs. And so I just put my regular stuff back on. Let me show you a couple of wigs I got. Got these wigs. I don't wear these wig. I don't have Twee's costume, but I have her wings. I don't really want to wear the scarf right now, because the scarf doesn't really show what I'm capable of. Oh, my friend Toriel Ugg is right there, so I, I don't know who she's talking to. So anyways, I don't know what she's talking about. Well, yeah. And promise I'll try to get it on full screen next time. But again, Skipper, if you're watching this, please comment if you like. And this is just a short tribute to you guys. So you guys rock. I totally mean that. From the bottom of my heart, you guys rock. Okay, so thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, add me, whatever. Whatever you can do. Give me a channel, watch some videos. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye guys. I'm waiting for you. Bye. I'm waiting for Skipper, Private, Rico, and Cresty. Bye. Okay, bye.